yourself in it and say you'll find a way. Don't throw me to an heartbreak hole again. Is it too much to ask? Is it that hard to do? Is it 'cause I'm not the one you're looking for? It hurts to think that I'm just another option to you. I really don't want to be an option, but I guess I don't really have another option. Another option. Isn't it funny how we always put someone at first, but they don't even put us first? Or maybe even I'm not an option, but I guess I don't have to care